Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai, perkenalkan nama saya Tubagus Dedi Junaidi Rasman. Saya bekerja di Sekolah Global Jaya atau mengabdi di Sekolah Global Jaya. Sejak Sekolah Global Jaya ini didirikan sampai sekarang mungkin kurang lebih 25 tahun lebih.
My name is Adit Setiadikara. I have been teaching in Global Jaya for 4 years, 3 years with Ibu Anik and 1 year with Ibu Tessa.
My name is Ibu Feby. I'm a primary music teacher. I've been working for Global Jaya School for 3 years.
Hello everybody, my name is Pat Chris. There are lots of Pat Chris's at Global Jaya. I'm Pat Chris McMahon, or Pat Chris M for short. I've been teaching at Global Jaya for 5 years now. Mainly I've been teaching business management and economics, plus a little bit of TOK.
Menurut saya untuk pembelajaran online karena pandemi, COVID-19 bukanlah bencana, tetapi ini ujian dari Tuhan Yang Maha Esa. Terkait dengan pembelajaran online, seharusnya kita mengambil hikmahnya, kita jadikan bersabar, ikhlas untuk mengendalikan diri, terutama emosi dalam melakukan pembelajaran online. Dan ini salah satu untuk mengurangi dan mencermati ujian yang Allah berikan.
Online learning is a new system for teachers, students, and parents. However, I see that Global Jaya has had a good design and plan during the pandemic time. I also feel bored. That's why I have been changing my character in every meeting. Sometimes I become a Corona monster, a vegetable seller, Gojek driver, and basketball player, even though in reality, I can play basketball. I gave my best effort to keep the children entertained.
This is very challenging for me as a teacher, and I believe for students and parents at home. All of us struggling with online school, but the thing that you have to know that music has superpower to help us to control our emotion, to make our mental stable. So please don't forget to listen to the music every day.
Teaching during the pandemic has been a big challenge. It's been a big challenge for both the teachers and the students. Personally, I've really missed being on campus and seeing all the students face to face. It makes a big difference actually meeting each other. I know that students have found it difficult, but I think they've worked very hard and they've coped very well, and everyone has done the best that they can.
Kesan saya selama saya di Global Jaya, Sekolah Global Jaya merupakan sebuah peluang dan sarana perubahan ke arah positif. Satu, mendewasakan individu yang terlibat di dalamnya. Yang kedua, membuat orang lebih berpikir kritis ke arah yang lebih baik. Dan yang terakhir, membuka dan menjembatani peluang dunia pendidikan secara nasional maupun internasional. Untuk sukanya khusus untuk pribadi saya, Global Jaya menjadikan saya perubahan yang lebih berarti, menantang diri saya sebagai sumber ilmu yang perlu dieksplor lebih dalam lagi. Untuk dukanya sangat disayangkan, saya harus meninggalkan Global Jaya ini yang sudah menemani saya 25 tahun lebih untuk berkarya.
For me, working at Global Jaya is fantastic. Also an extraordinary thing I have in my life. Here, I have learned about working in a solid team where all teachers always discuss many things and to have goal in creating excellent and fun teaching and learning processes for the students.
There are so many sweet memories at Global Jaya, especially when I'm seeing my students performing their best on the stage and see their passion for practices after school, even at the weekend.
My favourite memory of Global Jaya is meeting all the students. You have been a pleasure to teach. I'm very proud of you, and I'd like to wish you the best of luck for your futures at university and beyond.
Lastly, to finish this, I would like to say thank you to my team, Ibu Anik, Ibu Angel, Ibu Ashley, and Ibu Tessa. We did our best in pandemic time. Thank you.
I just want to say, please take care, stay healthy, stay happy. I'll see you around. God bless.
I'd like to say thank you to all the people at Global Jaya. I'd like to say thank you to all the students, the parents, nor my colleagues. I hope this isn't goodbye. I hope this is just au revoir, and I see a lot of you in the future. So please wish me luck, and thank you everybody, and stay safe. Goodbye.
Khusus untuk pesan terakhir untuk diri saya, untuk teman-teman saya yang hebat, guru-guru, dan untuk murid-murid saya tercinta. Yang pertama, jadilah seorang individu yang amanah untuk diri sendiri dan orang banyak, karena kelak kita akan dipertanggungjawabkan di yaumil akhir nanti. Dan terakhir, jadikan keberhasilan yang kita raih dan kita sudah rasakan menjadi amal ibadah untuk kita. Dan terus semangat, terus berkarya, dan selalu tersenyum untuk memuliakan orang banyak. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
From the Global Jaya School Performing Arts Theatre, here is the 2021 Teacher Staff Appreciation Night, a night at the Oscars. For the first time in the history of Global Jaya School, we're proud to present the first virtual Teacher Staff Appreciation Night 2021. Today, we celebrate more than a decade of TSAN, the teachers, faculty, staff, including the Leaving Teachers, the Peer Teachers Award, and this year's first Lifetime Achievement Award, accompanied with performances and a special guest star. Welcome to the Global Jaya School Teacher Staff Appreciation Night 2021. TSAN has evolved throughout the years since it was first held. Before, it had been named Teachers Appreciation Day, where PTA and all the teachers would gather together for dinner. Around 2010, staff was included and the name changed to TSAN. From then on, all events were held at school premises, and each year has its own unique theme. We had Cowboy Night, Shanghai Night, Sulawesi Night, Bali Night, Bollywood Night, and many more, all held in the spirit of celebrating different cultures worldwide and preserving Indonesian cultural heritage. Tonight, we are celebrating more than a decade of TSAN, and here is its journey. Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to Teacher Staff Appreciation Night 2021.
Thank you for joining us today. I'm Natalia Desivinanda.
And I'm Sri Rejeki.
And we're so honored here today to celebrate all the hard work of Global Jaya School teachers and staff. When the pandemic hit us last year, Parent Association wasn't able to hold any event. So this year, we decided to bring TSAN into your homes to celebrate all the hard work of teachers and staff. We hope that you will enjoy the event, as well as many of today's performances, and also our special guest star.
And now, please welcome the warm greetings from our head of school, Pak Cory Carson, followed by our lovely head of PA, Ibu Melvi Saniesti, and head of year level representative, Ibu Elizabeth Halim.
Welcome to the Teacher and Staff Appreciation Night 2021. After a one-year COVID pandemic-induced hiatus, we are very pleased that our Global Jaya School Parent and Teacher Association sponsored event is back. This year's theme, the Oscars, where in a black and white, formal and ceremonial fashion, we appreciate and celebrate the educational stars of our program, our dedicated and talented faculty and staff. On behalf of the leadership team, I wish to express our heartfelt thanks and mutual appreciation to all our parents, and especially for the moms and dads who have helped organize today's event. Ibu Desi and the wonderful PTA event team, Ibu Sangra, who has been involved with TSAN for more than a decade, Jason Suito, our exceptional alumni, taking care of the creative department with Ibu Sangra, Ibu Elizabeth Hallam for being the backbone of the PTA, and last but by no means least, Ibu Melvi. I would like to take this opportunity to say a special thanks to Ibu Melvi. Ibu Melvi departs her post after numerous years of service as a PTA member and then serving the past 3 years as our PTA chair. We applaud her commitment to serving the children, the faculty, and the parent community of Global Jaya School. She has been instrumental in helping our school leadership build clear, meaningful, and productive collaborative efforts between faculty, admin, and our parent community. Thank you, Ibu Melvi. Getting back to the reason we've come together this day, the 2021 Teacher and Staff Appreciation Night program. We have a number of presentations and performances scheduled for your enjoyment. Please, sit back, relax, and enjoy them. Now, on with the show.
Welcome to Teachers and Staff Appreciation Night 2021. This annual event is an appreciation and gratitude to Global Jaya School teachers who have been dedicatedly educating, give their unwavering support, encouragement, and guidance to our children, as well as staff members who work to ensure that the teaching and learning process runs smoothly. First of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation and gratitude to TSAN Committee, Ibu Desi, Ibu Sangra, Ibu Elizabeth, Ibu Sri Rejeki, Ibu Eva, Ibu Ade Rahma, Ibu Masayu, Ibu Oci, Ibu Novi, and Ibu Dewi, year-level representatives and parents who support and make this event success. Thank you for your support, Pak Cory, Ibu Linlin, Pak Hendy and GA team, Ibu Elsie, Ibu Sita, Pak Eric, and Ibu Ria. Thank you, teachers, parents, Ibu Melly Guslow, and students who are willing to give their best performances to this wonderful and memorable event. I would like also to take this opportunity to deliver my sincere gratitude for the opportunity to be Parents Association Chairperson for the past 3 years. I have received a lot of support and collaboration from leadership team, teachers, staff, and also support staff. I have enjoyed working with school board, task force team, my fellow Parents Association team, and level representative. helping to make our school becomes a better place by supporting its vision and mission, building a good communication and cooperation among its parents, teachers, and school. Thank you for giving Parents Association an opportunity to be actively involved in school and work together to create a conducive, health, and safety environments for students. It becomes a valuable experience for me to work together with GIS community, which I certainly take with me throughout my life. I wish Global Jaya School continued success in the future, and I hope we can go through this pandemic together. Stay healthy, stay well. Thank you and enjoy the Teachers and Staff Appreciation Night 2021.
I'm overjoyed that we are once again able to celebrate this sun. I would like to thank the parents of Global Jaya School for your support. Without you all, we would not be able to celebrate our teachers who have diligently guided and encouraged all children, as well as the staff members who made sure that the teaching and learning process runs smoothly during the course of home-based learning. My deepest gratitude to the leadership team and the staff that always communicates openly with us, the PA and the level reps. You all always respond quickly every time I have questions that need to be addressed. We also thank you for the support we receive from you every time the PA has an event. We loved our collaboration with the teachers during the Rock Warrior Race and Arts Expo. We were really impressed by how professional and attentive they were. They put lots of thought and effort in order to ensure that both events run smoothly. I hope these collaborations will continue in the future. I also sincerely apologize to and thank Ibu Elsie Sunarta, who I would question endlessly, often outside of school hours and sometimes even during the weekends. On behalf of the level reps and parents of Global Jaya School, once again, I would like to thank the teachers, staff, and support staff of Global Jaya. No matter the distance, you've always been there for our kids.
Please welcome Shiva Aulia from Year 10D, singing her original song, Forevermore.
Hello, I'm Shiva Aulia from 10D, and today I will be singing a song called Forevermore, which is a song that I made, a gift from all of the students for the teachers. And here it is. I hope you enjoy it. How wonderful it is that it all came from this feeling love just in time. Thanks for the things you did.
Bidding farewell is the most difficult thing to say, and we are beyond sad that these teachers are leaving. From the bottom of our hearts, we say thank you for everything. The leaving teachers this year are Pak Ilham.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Yang terhormat para kepala sekolah, yang saya hormati rekan-rekan guru, para staf dan support staff, serta siswa-siswi Sekolah Global Jaya tercinta. Saya mengucapkan terima kasih karena diberi kesempatan untuk memberikan sambutan khusus di acara perpisahan ini. Tahun 2021 adalah tahun terakhir saya bertugas dan mengabdikan di sekolah kita tercinta ini. Ada rasa bahagia sekaligus haru dan bangga di hati. Karena tanpa terasa saya sudah bergabung dengan Global Jaya selama sekitar 25 tahun. Selama masa tersebut, tentu banyak suka, duka, dan pengalaman yang saya dapat petik. Dan hari ini adalah tahun terakhir saya bertugas di sini untuk menyambut masa pensiun. Insya Allah, segala hal yang saya alami selama mengajar dan berinteraksi dengan kolega menjadi pelajaran dan pengalaman hidup yang amat berharga. Semoga Sekolah Global Jaya terus berkembang dan mampu menjadi sekolah terbaik dalam mendidik karakter anak didik menghadapi tantangan pendidikan era revolusi industri. Pada kesempatan ini, izinkan saya mohon maaf yang sebesar-besarnya atas segala ucapan dan perbuatan, baik yang saya sengaja atau tidak sengaja selama mengabdi di sekolah ini. Akhirnya, saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada Yayasan Pendidikan Jaya yang sudah memberi kesempatan saya untuk mengajar dan menjadi bagian keluarga di sekolah ini. Terima kasih juga untuk semua warga sekolah dan PTA selama kurun waktu 25 tahun kita bergaul dan bekerja sama dalam mendidik para siswa. Demikian yang dapat saya sampaikan. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ibu Rina Wahyu Wijayanti.
Tidak mudah bagi saya untuk mengucapkan selamat tinggal kepada Bapak Ibu Guru, Bapak Ibu Kepala Sekolah, Pak Kori selaku Head of School, Bapak Ibu orang tua murid yang tergabung dalam PTA dan seluruh komunitas Global Jaya yang saya hormati. 22 tahun sudah saya bergabung menjadi bagian suka duka sekolah ini, hingga kini saatnya saya memasuki masa purna bakti. Untuk itu pada kesempatan kali ini izinkan saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada sekolah dan yayasan yang telah memberikan kesempatan untuk saya belajar, tumbuh dan berkembang secara profesional dengan menjadi bagian dari sekolah ini. Terima kasih saya ucapkan kepada seluruh orang tua yang telah memberikan kepercayaan kepada saya untuk sedikit memberikan pendidikan dan pengetahuan kepada putra-putrinya untuk paling tidak dapat menanamkan pemahaman akan pentingnya bahasa Indonesia sebagai bahasa ibu yang merupakan salah satu identitas nasionalnya, meskipun mereka akan berada di berbagai belahan dunia nantinya. Saya menyadari tentunya selama 22 tahun mengabdi pasti melakukan kesalahan dan ketidaksempurnaan dalam menjalankan tugas, untuk itu mohon dimaafkan. Terakhir kepada Ibu Tisa selaku Kurikulum Leader Bahasa Indonesia, Bapak Ibu kolega saya di Departemen Bahasa Indonesia yang saya cintai dan banggakan. Terima kasih saya ucapkan untuk semua motivasi, semangat, kebaikan, kesempatan belajar, kerja tim yang hebat dan kebebasan untuk mengekspresikan kreativitas saya bahkan menjelang saya memasuki masa pensiun ini. Semoga tim Bahasa Indonesia akan selalu semakin solid dalam mengemban tugas dan tanggung jawab untuk mendidik dan mencerdaskan anak-anak kita. Saya juga mohon maaf apabila selama bekerja sama sebagai bagian dari tim banyak sekali kekurangan dan ketidaksempurnaan dalam menjalankan tugas. Sebetulnya sedih rasanya karena saya tidak dapat berterima kasih kepada Bapak Ibu secara langsung dan tidak dapat bertemu karena situasi pandemi ini. Namun kesempatan virtual ini paling tidak mewakili ucapan terima kasih saya kepada semua pihak yang telah memberikan kesempatan, dukungan, dorongan untuk saya selalu bersemangat dan maju sampai dengan saat ini. Sejatinya selalu ada kata selamat tinggal di setiap pertemuan, tetapi selamat tinggal hanyalah simbolisasi dan bukan akhir dari segalanya. Akhir kata, saya mengucapkan selamat menyongsong dan merayakan Idul Fitri. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin.
Pak Adit Setiadikara.
Hi, my name is Adit Setiadikara. I am a teacher at Global Jaya, and I've been teaching here for 4 years. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for Pak Kori, Ibu Dewi, and Ibu Elena for the chance that I have get from Global Jaya. In Global Jaya, I learned a lot. I got knowledge and experiences here. 4 years ago, I interviewed by Ibu Dewi, and now I can become a family of this school. Global Jaya is like second home for me. A family that I can come to when I need help and support. There are some teachers whom I have as my support system, and I'm feeling grateful for that. This thing I will never forget. Coming to Global Jaya every day is just like being in my own home, where all the people can accept me for whoever I am. I am thankful for knowing and having them. Ibu Melinda, Ibu Yani, Ibu Nova, Ibu Yeni, Ibu Feby, Ibu Puji, and all the teachers that I cannot mention one by one. Lastly, I would like to say please stay positive with the situation that we are facing now. Thank you so much, and I hope we can meet again someday. Thank you.
Ibu Natalia Dewi Widiati.
So this is my farewell and thank you message. It's not an easy decision to resign from almost 15 years of working at Global Jaya School. I am so grateful to be a primary school teacher. Global Jaya School is not only a place for working, but it's also a place to learn invaluable things. Many teachers who left this school said that Global Jaya School is not only a place for working, but it's also a family. So I truly agree with them. When I had times here, the teachers, leadership, and the admin staff stood by me. Excuse me. So my resignation is not the end of my life here. I would be very happy to see and hear good things come to this school. I wish this school every success in the future. I apologize for everything I have said and done. I'm looking forward to meeting you all again somewhere else. Thank you.
Pak Dedi Junaidi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Pertama-tama marilah kita panjatkan puji syukur kita kepada Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Tuhan yang Maha Esa, yang telah memberikan berbagai nikmat tiada tara, dan yang lebih terpenting kita masih diberikan nikmat sehat dan nikmat umur panjang, sehingga kita masih merasakan dan bisa berkumpul bersilaturahim dengan keluarga besar Sekolah Global Jaya yang kita cintai. Di bulan yang baik ini, bulan Ramadan yang penuh berkah, izinkan saya terakhir kalinya mengucapkan banyak terima kasih yang sebesar-besarnya kepada beberapa pihak. Yang pertama, saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada almarhum Bapak Insinyur Ciputra yang telah menciptakan dan membawa perubahan di dunia pendidikan dengan menggagas membangun Sekolah Global Jaya dengan peradaban baru, berwawasan serta pemikiran ke arah ke depan demi menciptakan generasi penerus yang dapat bersaing di dunia internasional. Yang selanjutnya, saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada Yayasan Pendidikan Jaya yang telah mempercayakan saya untuk mengabdi dan berkarya di Sekolah Global Jaya terhitung sejak Juli 1995 sampai sekarang. Selanjutnya, saya juga mengucapkan terima kasih kepada seluruh manajemen Sekolah Global Jaya terhitung sejak 1995 sampai dengan manajemen 2021 yang telah memberikan kesempatan kepada saya untuk mengembangkan ilmu serta mendapatkan ilmu yang berarti selama 25 tahun berpetualang di Sekolah Global Jaya. Dan tak lupa pula, selanjutnya saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada seluruh orang tua wali murid, terutama PTA Sekolah Global Jaya, di mana sejak berdirinya Sekolah Global Jaya selalu ada dan kita semua dalam membantu kelancaran program sekolah. Semoga PTA tetap jaya. Selanjutnya saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada rekan-rekan sahabatku tercinta, para guru yang hebat dan mempunyai semangat juang yang tinggi untuk pendidikan di negeri kita tercinta ini. Dan yang selanjutnya saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada pimpinan staf dan admin serta ISS dan jajarannya yang ada di Sekolah Global Jaya yang selalu memberikan support kepada saya dalam berkreasi di Sekolah Global Jaya. Dengan ini saya Tubagus Didi Junaidi Rasman mohon izin dan mohon dibukakan pintu maaf yang sebesar-besarnya apabila selama 25 tahun saya mengabdi di Sekolah Global Jaya mempunyai kesalahan baik yang disengaja maupun yang tidak disengaja. Mohon dibukakan pintu yang sebesar-besarnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ibu Maria Ayu Widihapsari.
Thank you for this token of appreciation. I really appreciate this. And to me, this is not a farewell, but this is just us departing to a different location. Because once we are the family of Global Jaya, we will be family for a lifetime. So, in this occasion, I'd like to say my appreciation to my beloved students. I really enjoy working with you, chatting, discussing with you over services action or personal project ideas. And I learn a lot about positive moral values from you. And I'd like to thank to all my colleagues, the faculty members of Global Jaya. Thank you for your friendship and warm familyhood. So don't be a stranger if you are around Central Java, Semarang, Magelang, because I live in on the slope of Mount Merbabu. I lived in a village called Seranti. So give me a holler. I will give you my contact details after this so we can link up somehow. Thanks again.
Ibu Febriana Tiurma Bernadette.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Thank you parents, head of school, principals, teachers, my lovely students, and all Global Jaya family. Thank you so much for this opportunity. First of all, I would like to say I miss you so much. I'm Ibu Febi. Some of you know me as a primary music teacher, or just a young lady who always uses makeup and dressed up at school. I never imagined that I should stand on this stage not to announce music activities, sing or play musical instruments, give awards to my students at assembly, but to show my gratitude to all of you. I'm very grateful being a part of Global Jaya family, the workplace and my second home that taught me so many things. Please take care. Thank you, Global Jaya, for these past 3 years. I hope Global Jaya will always be a place for so many people to share blessings and be a place for so many people to have blessings. Thank you so much. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive. I'll see you around. God bless.
Ibu Tri Widianti,
Global Jaya School family. I've worked at Global Jaya for almost 3 incredible years, and I'm grateful for giving me a professional home. I'm so glad I was able to grow with this school. It has truly an honor become a team member of this school. To all parents, I have no doubt that your children will accomplish great things here, and thank you for all your support and trust. Lastly, I wish each and every one of you the best of luck. Thank you.
Pak Christopher McMahon.
Hello everybody, my name is Pat Chris. There are lots of Pat Chris's at Global Jaya, but I am the original Pat Chris. I am Pat Chris McMahon, or Pat Chris M for short. I've been working and teaching here at Global Jaya for 5 years now, mainly teaching business management and economics. But sadly, I'll be leaving the school at the end of this term. I'm going to be going back to my home country, the UK, and I'm going to be spending 1 year there, sorting out some family matters, and then I'm hoping to start a new job in a new overseas school in July of 2022. I am sad to leave Global Jaya. I've thoroughly enjoyed working and teaching here, and I've enjoyed living in Indonesia and seeing some of this beautiful country. I have a list of people I would like to thank. Firstly, I would like to thank all the students. It's been a great pleasure to teach you all, and well done for all your hard work and all your achievements. You should feel very proud of yourselves, and I wish you all the best of luck for all your future, whether it's at university or beyond. I would also like to thank all the parents. Thank you for all your support and encouragement and help. And finally, I would like to thank all my colleagues, whether you're on the teaching staff or non-teaching staff. You've been a great pleasure to work with. Thank you for your help during my last 5 years. I would like to ask you to wish me good luck in my ventures. I wish you all the best of luck. I hope this is not a final goodbye. I hope it's just an au revoir. Hopefully I will see a lot of you at some stage in the future over the years, somewhere in the world. So thank you everybody, stay safe and goodbye.
Ibu Margareta Keke Mayandeta.
To the Global Jaya community, I would like to say thank you, and I wish all the best for us wherever we are. Thank you so much.
Ibu Mira Diana.
A very good afternoon to each one of you. When I'm standing here to deliver my speech for my farewell, well, my throat gets choked as I cannot imagine a single day spent without this community. And memories stay, people don't. It might be the last day for me to be here, but all the memories will be stay here forever. And thank you, Global Jaya, for keeping a smile on my face in the 5 years. And I'm going miss you all. And thank you for your support, all the leaderships, teachers, students, parents, and all the staff. Well, I'm not good at saying goodbye. See you later.
And now, please welcome Diva Aurora Wijaya singing Sampai Jumpa by Endang Sukamti.
Sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Ku relakan dirimu pergi, meskipun ku tak siap untuk merindu. Ku tak siap tanpa dirimu. Ku harap terbaik untukmu. Sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Ku relakan dirimu pergi, meskipun ku tak siap untuk merindu. Ku tak siap tanpa dirimu. Ku harap terbaik untukmu.
As part of our continuous effort to recognize and acknowledge teachers who personify Global Jaya School vision and mission, we proudly present the winners of Peer Teacher Awards. They've been selected by their colleagues as the role models of the year. This year, there were so many ties that they had to choose best of the best. This year's winners are, for Early Years Program, Ibu Nadia Abrahams. For PYP, Ibu Endang Pujiastuti. For MYP, Ibu Nia Budi Kurniati. And for DP, Ibu Rina Wahyu Wijayanti. Congratulations!
Hi everybody, first of all, please allow me to say, wow, an Oscar award. Thank you so much parents, you always manage to find creative ways to make us feel valued and appreciated. And now, please allow me to say thank you to all of my peers, fellow teachers, friends and colleagues. I learned a lot of different things from a lot of you. You taught me how to be a better teacher, you helped me to build up my confidence, and you also encouraged me to always see the best in people, to see the best in our students. And I really appreciate that. And from some of you, I learned how to lighten up a little bit, slow down, and try to have a better work-life balance. Thank you so much, everybody. I guess what I'm trying to say is that I hope at some level, I also have been and will be able to continue to be helpful and supportive of you all as you have been for me. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much for nominating me for the TSEN Peer Award this year. I am honored to accept this award. I realize that the support of colleagues, leadership and parents is very important to the journey of my serving as a teacher. The challenges of teaching intellectual, social and personal have engaged me now for more than 25 years. I have learned and I'm still learning how to make a school a place of happiness and wisdom for my students and for myself. I love the challenges. I love my teaching life. Finally, I'm grateful to the parents, especially to the TSAN committee for raising this appreciation. Based on the criteria set for the TSEN Peer Award, I think that all of you Global Jaya School teachers deserve this award. So, let's celebrate this achievement together.
Firstly, I'd like to extend my gratitude to the Almighty for all the blessings I have received. I am so honored to receive the Peer Teachers Award for MYP, particularly because this is my first year in Global Jaya School. Despite the global pandemic, this year has been an amazing experience for me. Although we cannot meet in person, I have felt the positive atmosphere among the faculty with the collaboration and support from all Global Jaya School community. I'd like to say thank you to Global Jaya School PTA for holding this appreciation event, Pak Kori as the head of school for the continuous support and the trust in me, the leadership team for the guidance and positive encouragement, all teachers in math department for the support, motivation, and teamwork. And lastly, I'd like to say my appreciation to all Global Jaya School teachers that cannot be mentioned one by one, who has given me the recognition towards my work and also the opportunity to learn new things this year. I believe that all teachers in Global Jaya School have put their best effort during this academic year. Therefore, I dedicate this award to all Global Jaya School amazing teachers. Once again, thank you so much.
Terima kasih saya ucapkan kepada Bapak Ibu Guru semua yang telah memvote saya sebagai guru yang personify Global Jaya School Vision and Mission kali ini. Semoga penghargaan Peer Award kedua yang saya terima ini memberikan semangat kepada kita semua untuk bekerja secara sungguh-sungguh, tulus, dan bertanggung jawab. Karena saya bahkan tidak pernah menyadari bahwa apa yang saya kerjakan selama ini memberikan dampak secara tidak langsung untuk kita semua. Ada atau tidak penghargaan bagi saya, pekerjaan adalah tugas yang harus dilakukan secara profesional dan berusaha memberikan dampak positif bagi sekitarnya. Pepatah mengatakan, don't live to impress, but live to impact. Terima kasih sekali lagi kepada PTA yang telah memberikan award ini sebagai kenangan terindah di akhir purna bakti saya. Sekali lagi saya ucapkan terima kasih.
It's not TSAN when we don't have any performers from the teachers. Please welcome our beloved teacher, Ibu Riyama Sinuraya, singing Smile by Nat King Cole.
Then
We missed TSAN last year and did not have the chance to say our goodbye to those who left. To honor their dedication to the school, here are the highlights of 2020 Living Teachers. Singing Remember Me, an original soundtrack of the movie Coco. Please welcome a duet performance by Naila Atira Jasmine from Year 10B with her father, Bapak Muhammad Setiawan.
Say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry, for even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again.
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry, for even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart.
Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again.
This is the first Lifetime Achievement Award that the PA has ever given. The recipient of this award first joined Global Jaya School 21 years ago as a musical instrumental teacher. Then he became the head of Performing and Visual Arts Department. In 2014, he was appointed as the middle school principal, and in 2019, he became the secondary school principal for well-being and pastoral care until 2020 when he left Gajiz to Qatar. He was involved in the Global Jaya International School Cultural Exchange Program, which successfully promoted the Indonesian culture to the people in Ukraine, Azerbaijan, and Kazakhstan between the years 2013 and 2015. Along with Ibu Rasti, who was the program initiator, he led a group of secondary school students who served as junior ambassadors. During his time in Global Jaya School, the Star Wars fanatic also contributed to the development and design of Global Jaya School's state-of-the-art theater building, the one that we are in at the exact moment. To Pak Andrew Doherty, or Pak Andy as we all call him, we would like to present this award as a token of appreciation for his 2-decade dedication. Congratulations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello from Qatar. You know, this has been a very challenging year for me, and while I've enjoyed it, I have to admit there were times where I missed being in Indonesia and missed being with the students and staff at Global Jaya. I'd like to thank the Parent Association and Global Jaya School for honoring me with the very first Lifetime Achievement Award. It means a lot to me to receive this. I know for many of you students, 20 years sounds like a lifetime, and that for teachers and students alike, you've all sat through lessons and meetings that felt like they lasted a lifetime. So you have some understanding of it. But I want you to know that for teachers, it's not how long we've taught that matters. It's that the value and significance of what we taught you carries through and lasts you for a lifetime, long after we've faded into distant memory. And if that small victory is achieved, then I'm okay with fading into memory. So I will. Thank you again for the award, and y'all take care.
Joining us from the corner of her home, our guest star and also parent of Year 12 Global Jaya School, please give your warmest welcome to Ibu Melly Guslow.
Seusai itu senja jadi sendu, awan pun mengabu. Kepergianmu menyisakan duka dalam hidupku. Ku meminta rindu, menyesali waktu. Mengapa dahulu tak ku ucapkan aku mencintaimu sejuta kali sehari, walau masih bisa senyum, namun tak selepas dulu. Kini aku kesepian. Kamu dan segala kenangan menyatu dalam waktu yang berjalan, dan aku kini sendirian menatap dirimu hanya bayangan. Tak ada yang lebih pedih daripada kehilangan dirimu. Cintaku tak mungkin beralih, sampai mati hanya cinta padamu. Padamu. Walau masih bisa senyum, namun tak selepas dulu. Kini aku kesepian. Kamu dan segala kenangan menyatu dalam waktu yang berjalan, dan aku kini sendirian menatap dirimu hanya bayangan, hanya bayangan. Daripada kehilangan dirimu, cintaku tak mungkin beralih, sampai mati hanya cinta padamu. Ku mencintaimu, kamu dan kenangan.
We may not know them individually, but they are the people who ensure our school runs well and that it is safe and clean. This year, we're happy to announce that we were able to give all 81 support staff members Idul Fitri hampers and 300,000 rupiah per person in the form of cash. Ibu Rahma Dewiyani as our PA treasurer, handing out gifts to Gardener representative Bapak Abdul Rahman. Ibu Elizabeth Halim as our coordinator of level representatives and PA secretary, handing out gifts to support staff representative Bapak Sigit Noviawan. Ibu Rosita Jamila from our event team, giving out gifts to security representative Bapak Husni Mubarak. And Ibu Dewi Franita from our event team, handing out gifts to cleaning service representative Bapak Nurdin Lutfi. Every TSAN, we raise funds from parents to give back to all teachers and staff. This year, we managed to raise 68,950,000 rupiah. Parents Association then added 16,550,000 rupiah from its operational budget and petty cash, resulting in a grand total of 85.5 million rupiah. The money will be given to 171 faculty members in the form of farmers market shopping vouchers, where each person receives 500,000 rupiah. We extend our deepest gratitude to all the parents who have donated. We would like to also recognize 2 of Global Jaya School's senior support staff who have recently retired. The first one is Bapak Ahmad Muryani, who worked as a technician in Global Jaya School for 25 years since it was first founded, from July 1995 to December 2020. The second one is Bapak Nana Katna, who was responsible for the secondary resource room, serving both students and teachers for 22 years, since 1999, and retired February this year. Thank you for your loyalty and dedication. We've come to the end of the show, but before we leave, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who has supported us in making the event possible.
First, all the teachers who were willing to be on screen for this, near or far. Our guest star, Ibu Meli Guslo, who has given her time to make us the video, along with our amazing and talented performers. From school, Pak Kori Carson, Ibu Elsie, Pak Hendy, and Pak Chris, Pak Eric, and Ibu Ria. You have been such a tremendous help in putting this all together. Ibu Melvi Saniesti, our head of PA, thank you for being such an exemplary for all of us. Ibu Elizabeth Halim, an all-rounder who always willing to help. The lovely event committee for your time and teamwork. Ibu Sangra Surya Dharma and Jason Samuel Suwito of parent and student alumni who have made this idea turn into life. And not to forget, parents of all students of Global Jaya School. We couldn't have done it without all of you.
Congratulations once again to tonight's winners. We hope what you have received will motivate you to keep on giving and to keep on believing that you have a huge part in shaping the next generations. Lastly, thank you to all the teachers and staff of Global Jaya School. Tonight was a celebration for all of you, celebrating your strong efforts and support in promoting the personal development of the young people in Global Jaya School and the common well-being of our whole Gejis community. As the quote says, it takes a big heart to shape little minds.
Thank you and hope to see you next year.